May tao kaya sa loob?
Baka dapat bumalik na lang tayo.
Creepy.
Hell University.
Shucks.
May mga pinto na kapag sumara, iba ka na paglabas.
Kapag alas 7, Bayan University. Mag-ingat kayo.
Tama rin itong pinasok namin. Hindi kaya ikapahamot na nito.
Good evening, newbies. I am Madame Violet. We are not your conventional university. You should know our one and only rule. 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. is what we call bloody night. You are free to do whatever you want within that time frame.
Para purge.
Welcome to Hell University.
Ang galing ng teaser. It's giving the thrilled vibe, no? I hope okay yung magiging talagang palabas nila. Sorry guys, I have a cough.